Hey there guys, welcome to K-Said single box break number 597, 12-13 upper deck of the cup. The last team that ended in break was the Edmonton Oilers on July 23rd at 8:51 p.m. Eastern Time. So current date and time, I click reload, and it's currently Thursday, July 24th at 5:04 a.m. p.m. Eastern Time. So new day. So we are live on Breakers TV here as per normal for break 597. So we don't have any serial numbers for it because we're pulling our box out of a sealed case. So we'll trim you guys around here. We'll go over a case. And we'll go over a case first. Then we'll roll a dice to determine which ones we use for today. So I do apologize for having to delay it almost a good 12 hours or so. Here later didn't deliver everything on time. So we'll roll 6-sided dice. So dice is 1, 2, 3 is going to be my right. 4, 5, 6 is going to be my left there. So here we go. First numbers for tonight, or for today, and second one's going to be for the break ending later tonight. So we got box number 5 for us tonight, which is the middle one here. And then we have box number 6 for the break tonight. So I'll show you guys the rest of the case, which will be listed throughout this week. So good luck, everybody. There we go. So just turn this back over. So box number 5, which is this one, which is for tonight, or for the one for the 597, sorry, 6772. And then box number 6, which is for the listing ending tonight. That one is $4318. Separate that just so I know that one's for tonight. Then just the rest of the case, which will be listed throughout this week. 3697, 1689, 7540, 9895. And on to our break for today. So good luck, guys, for 597, 6772. And just to let you guys know, for the breaks later tonight, it will probably be a little bit later, because I will be driving to Edmonton here right away, which is about a 4.5-hour drive. So yeah, it'll be pretty late when I do it. So here we go, everybody. Good luck. Start the break off with an Alex Ovechkin, $3.99 for the Capitals. And a ultimate signature, rookie signatures of Tyson Barrie for the Avalanche, 36/99. Tyson Barrie. On to our box of cup. So good luck to everybody. So we have a base of Brett Hall, 17 of 249 for the Blues. And this is jersey number by 1. We have ourselves a 3-color auto rookie patch of Michael Hutchinson, 156 of 249 for the Bruins. Michael Hutchinson. We have ourselves a gold auto rookie patch of Carter Ashton, 32 of 37 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Carter Ashton. Nice hit. And we have a enshrinement autograph of Wayne Gretzky for the Edmonton Oilers, 11 of 50. So that means we're going to be in for a pretty good case then. 11 of 50, Wayne Gretzky. Because every time we see one of these, it's normally pretty good. So for case, it's still on the way too. We have a Ryan Garbett printing plate for the Dallas Stars. Ryan Garbett. And we have a 2-color auto rookie patch of Ryan Garbett again for the Dallas Stars. So there we have it, guys. That concludes the break. And whoever has Edmonton, if you want tracking on your Gretzky, let me know and we'll make arrangements on it.